So another cool thing you can do is look at what other members, their saved meals that they're making, the saved meals I show you how to make in the My Plate section. So to get to this, we just go to this Meals tab right here, and it's open. And you just got everybody's avatar right here. And just here's some meals from this person right here. It's like a sandwich right here. And then you can see their meal and the calories and everything that go along with it and what they have in it. Yeah, right there. And then if you want to make this right now, you could just choose that you ate it right now. So that's a cool thing to see what other people are eating and kind of look at their saved meals. That's in the Meals tab. Another thing is when you're friends with people, on their profile, you can see their saved meals by going all the way to the bottom and looking at the My Meals section. And here's that meal I saved earlier, that egg sandwich with cheese. So two ways you can look at other people's meals, and especially if you want to see what your friends are saving, that's a cool way to do that. Then maybe you can eat the same things, and if maybe your friend serves you dinner one time, they'll have the meal on there already for you to go. So that's looking at other members' saved meals.